Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset your progress on Duolingo. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Duolingo app. So here it is. Now, in this screen, we'll be able to see our progress. And to reset it, simply click on this profile icon and click on the setting icon on the top right corner. And scroll down, you'll be able to see this option called Manage Scores. And we cannot actually reset it, but if you want to start it from the beginning, simply click on Remove over here. After that, we can start learning the language from the beginning. So that is same as resetting it. Simply click on Remove, tap on this, and if you finally click on this Remove button over here, you'll remove this language and your progress will be reset. So this is all we can do to reset our progress on Duolingo. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.